In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone on Acuity Scheduling. This is an essential skill for anyone managing appointments or meetings across different geographic locations. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure your scheduling is perfectly in sync. First, you'll need to navigate to Acuity Scheduling. Open your web browser and head over to the Acuity Scheduling website. You can easily access the site by entering the URL into your browser's address bar and logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start with the setup. You'll see a menu at the top of your dashboard. Click on the Availability tab. This section is crucial as it houses all your scheduling options and configurations. It's where you'll manage the timings available for appointments and ensure they align with your business needs. Then locate and click on Global Scheduling Limits. By entering this section, you will be able to control how scheduling is handled across your entire account, which is key when wanting to synchronize time zones effectively. Once you're in the Global Scheduling Limits section, find the time zone option and click on it. This will open a new set of options specific to time zone management. This page lets you align your scheduling with standard time references, helping minimize confusion for clients booking appointments. Now, make sure to select Default to Business Time Zone. This option will ensure that all appointments are displayed in the same time zone as your business, making it easier to keep track of bookings and manage your calendar efficiently. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to explore a list of available time zones. This is where you choose the specific time zone that matches your business location or the region you predominantly work in. Simply scroll through the list until you find the desired time zone. After selecting your preferred time zone, it's crucial to save your changes. Click on the Save Changes button. This step is important to ensure all the adjustments you've made are stored and applied across your account. Without saving, you risk losing the updates and having to repeat the process. Finally, click Done to exit the settings. This action will take you back to the main scheduling page, confirming that your changes have been successfully implemented and are active for all upcoming appointments. By following these steps, you've now successfully adjusted the time zone settings for your Acuity Scheduling account. This precise alignment is critical to managing your schedule effectively and preventing any mishaps or misunderstandings related to appointment times. Keep these instructions handy for future changes, and you'll always have your scheduling on track.